Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making very soft delicious donuts with measurements and step-by-step guide. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end, and without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So here are the following ingredients. We have sugar, salt, milk, egg, butter, and yeast. And we'll start by making the measurements. So here I have 2 spoons. So when a video is talking about 1 tablespoon, they are actually talking about this other spoon that we use to it in our own home. They are the same measurement, there's no difference. Yeah, you can see it now. So I'm going to measure 4 tablespoons of butter. So here is 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to melt it and keep it aside. So next we are going to measure 2 cups of milk into the bowl. Follow with 1.5 tablespoons of yeast, the 2 large eggs, melted butter, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then mix. And after mixing, we are going to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we are going to keep mixing to make our dough. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification so that whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you. And to my old and new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you all so much for your support. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. So here is another tip I'll give when making your dough. Maybe you are thinking the ingredients you measure will not be enough or it will not come out well. So just test your dough. Yeah, as you are doing it now, just test it in your mouth, feel it. Then from there you will know if the salt is enough. If not, add a little bit of milk or water in the small bowl. Then mix it together, then sprinkle it on the dough, knead it again, then everything will be fine. So next I will cover the dough and keep it aside to rest for 1 hour, and it will also double in size. And after 1 hour, this is how it looks like. You see the yeast is so active. So now we are going to place it on a flat surface, then roll it out. So when rolling, we are not going to roll it out too flat, so let it be a little bit thin, not too flat. Yeah, so this size. And then use a donut cutter or any round shape you have in your kitchen. So I'm actually using a round shape I have in my kitchen to cut it now. So after cutting, we'll cover and leave it for 5 to 8 minutes. Do not leave it for too long. We are not going to leave it for too long. So after that, we'll fry it in a preheated cooking oil. And I will keep on turning it consistently until it gets golden. So here it is, guys. Look at that shiny color. Did you see it? It's ready. Donut is ready. How do you like your donuts? This donuts is so very delicious. So next I will repeat the process again until I get to the final part. So after that, donut is ready. So this is actually how I love my donuts. I'm not adding anything. It's so soft and delicious. So guys, don't forget to give this video a like, give it a huge thumbs up, share and leave a comment. Subscribe if you have not yet. Put on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So guys, I will hope to see you in my next video. Bye.